how much should you actually spend on a LED headlight conversion kit? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, TrueMod's H6054H4 LED wiring harness. First up, we have the TrueMod's H6054H4 LED headlight wiring harness. This kit caught my eye because it simplifies the conversion process for older vehicles, and it's priced at just $23.99. If you want an easy way to upgrade your headlights without a steep learning curve, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This wiring harness is designed for vehicles like Toyotas and Subarus that use a negative switch for headlights. It allows you to convert your old system to a positive switch without cutting any wires, saving you a lot of time and frustration. The installation is as simple as plug and play, and it's built with durable relays and high-quality components. With a solid rating of 4.6 stars from 1,500 reviews, it's a popular choice for DIY enthusiasts. Now, some people complained about the installation instructions being a bit vague. Here's the thing though, if you're handy at all, you should be able to figure it out pretty quickly. And for the price, the convenience it brings is definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you have an older vehicle that needs a headlight upgrade but you don't want to deal with complicated wiring. Skip this one if you have a newer model that doesn't require a converter. Overall, for $23.99, it offers great value for ease of installation and quality. Now, if the installation instructions bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Uni Shine 7-inch LED headlights. Next, we have the Uni Shine 2 PCS 7-inch LED headlights, which are DOT approved and priced at $89.99. What grabbed my attention here is how they combine safety features with a stylish design. If you want visibility and a cool look for your Jeep or Chevy, this is definitely worth a look. They're 500% brighter than standard halogen bulbs, and the IP67 waterproof rating means they'll hold up in harsh weather. Plus, they come with a built-in decoder to prevent flickering, although it doesn't work for every model. They've received 1,700 reviews with an impressive 4.5-star rating, showing that many users are satisfied. Now, I did see some complaints about compatibility issues with certain vehicles. So if you're driving a Jeep or other compatible vehicle, you'll likely be very happy with this upgrade. This is perfect for you if you have an older Jeep or Chevy and value both aesthetics and performance. Skip this one if you drive a vehicle outside the compatibility range since you might face installation problems. For $89.99, you're getting solid quality and performance. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for fixing installation woes. Product number 3, KASLIGHT H4 Relay Harness. Moving on, we have the KASLIGHT H4 Relay Harness set, priced at $27.99. This caught my eye because it addresses some unique headlight issues in older Toyotas and Subarus. If you have a vehicle with dim or flickering headlights, this is worth a serious look. By converting your system from ground switched to positive switched, it fixes common issues like dim lights and flickering. The installation is also designed to be straightforward, meaning you don't have to be an expert to get it up and running. With 1,900 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clear that many people have found success with this product. Some users did mention that it doesn't fit all vehicles perfectly. But here's the thing, if you're in the right vehicle category, like a Toyota Tacoma, you'll be amazed at how much brighter and reliable your headlights become. This is perfect for you if you own a Toyota or similar vehicle and have been struggling with headlight issues. Skip this one if you have a newer model that doesn't have these compatibility quirks. At $27.99, it's a smart investment for fixing those frustrating headlight problems. Now, if you're looking for a more universal option, check out our next product. Product number 4, Partsam Rectangle LED Headlights. Next up, we have the Partsam 2 PCS Rectangle H6054 LED headlights, coming in at $45.99. I was drawn in by the combination of style and function. If you want to improve visibility without breaking the bank, these are definitely worth considering. These headlights are designed to fit a variety of vehicles and come with a high beam output of 5600 lumens. They also feature a durable aluminum shell that helps dissipate heat effectively, extending their lifespan to up to 50,000 hours. With a solid rating of 4.6 stars from over 5,600 reviews, users are clearly impressed with the performance. However, a few users pointed out that they had to fiddle with wiring to get them to fit their vehicles properly. Here's my take on that. If you're comfortable with a bit of DIY work, you'll find these headlights to be a fantastic upgrade. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable yet effective upgrade that fits a range of vehicles. Skip this one if you're not willing to do a little extra work on installation. For $45.99, it's a great value for improved visibility and longevity. Now, if you're ready for an upgrade that packs a punch, let's check out our last product. Product number 5, HWSD AR180W LED headlights. Last but not least, we have the HWSD AR new 180W LED headlights priced at $85.99. What's fascinating about these is their incredible brightness and durability. If you want the brightest lights on the block, this is worth checking out. The high-quality construction ensures they'll last through tough conditions, and they're even DOT approved. With a stellar 4.7-star rating from 6,600 reviews, it's clear that users are thrilled with their performance. Now, some users noted that they needed to buy an extra relay kit for certain older models. But honestly, if you're looking for the best brightness and durability, it's a small price to pay for such a significant upgrade. This is perfect for you if you need maximum visibility and don't mind investing a little more for quality. Skip this one if your vehicle isn't compatible without additional components. At $85.99, it's a top-notch investment for anyone serious about headlight performance. In conclusion, we've looked at 5 great LED headlight conversion kits. From the budget-friendly True Mods harness to the ultra-bright HWSD AR headlights, there's something for everyone. Choose based on your vehicle type and specific needs, and you'll be driving brighter and safer in no time.